Yo, Rocket City Classic Cars, back with another video. Do not look at my dirty garage, or junky garage, I should say, but got my man here, Chance, we over here working, you know, E46 Life. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. But yeah, these are the Impars, the original ones that were on this vehicle. And we have the newer ones. We already got one mounted, plus we got the slotted rotors. Y'all see that? Oh man, but look at that dusty ass caliper. We're gonna address that. But yeah, we're doing it. Rocket City Classic Cars. That's the old one. That's the new one. Again, these are going on the 740 IL.
So the old motors too?
Yeah, they got a shot at it. I got a shot at it.
Well, my son ain't free, but for me and Courtney, it was $100. And that was like an all-you-can-eat buffet.
Okay, so I guess it was worth it then, huh?
Man, it was
good.
Endless crab legs and I mean, they had mashed potatoes, collard greens.
Man, crab legs it's just too much work for me. I was telling my mom that.
I filled up on them bad boys, but it's like, oh, yeah. Don't freak out. I got kicked the tire because the brush.
Man, yeah, I don't.
Yeah.
25 years old. Got the new Impars on there. The calipers look ugly. Paint those black. Yep. All in a day's work. Quick walk around. Got it cleaned up. Wheels looking good. I gotta address those lenses. They're not looking too good. Man, but I love these slotted rollers. True of the slotted rollers. Good. Of course, that ugly caliper. Get that painted black soon. Washed up really nice. There you have it, folks. As always, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we are out.